We are light travel. Last year, we brought the world QUBIX, super strong packing cubes with the world's first double compression zipper system. Since then, we've proudly served over 10,000 happy customers and counting. And your feedback helped take the concept of packing cubes to a whole new level. Introducing QUBIX 2, super strong double compression packing cubes with the world's first hook and hang system. To begin with, we upgraded the material to ripstop parachute fabric, making your cubes super strong, ultra lightweight, and highly water resistant. If skydivers trusted to keep them in the air at 15,000 feet, I think it's safe to say you can trust it on your travels. Second, we added a handle, an elegant solution with a metal G-hook. But wait, it does so much more. Stop managing your wardrobe from your suitcase and stop wasting time unpacking. With QUBIX 2, it's simple and easy. Just hook it, hang it, and have it anywhere you like. Save space and make it easier than ever to get your clothes. Third, we seriously upgraded the toiletry cube. We added a retractable hook, optimized the pocket configuration, and made the material waterproof. We also added a detachable pouch you can hang in the shower. Fourth, we made the laundry bag double the size. Plus, it folds tiny, so you won't know it's there until you need it. Fifth, we added a highly functional electronics cube. Say goodbye to damaged gear and messy cables forever. Now, let's dig into the fundamentals. As standard, QUBIX 2 comes with its famous double compression zipper system. Saving you up to 66% luggage space. With reinforced double stitching at the seams and top quality YKK zippers, QUBIX 2 gives you the confidence to pack and compress without fear. The folding board helps you pack in a neat and tidy way every time you travel. The antibacterial fabric helps keep your clean clothes dirt and odor free. And the minimalist design adds a touch of class to any set of luggage. Now you can finally pack more. Carry less. And trust your packing cubes are up to the challenge. Your perfect packing solution has finally arrived. QUBIX 2.
Introducing Zero, the world's smallest real-time translator. We at Time Kettle believe that good technology should be unnoticeable, so we fit Zero into a small aluminum body. This small? No, this small. Because it's so small, we even designed credit card case for you to carry it around. It's really compact. You can bring it wherever you go. When you need to translate, take it out, plug it in. Then you can have smooth conversations with the world. To accomplish this, we developed the world's smallest 4-microphone array. It can collect much clearer voices than any smartphone. And Zero's microprocessor integrates neural network technology that separates each voice by its direction, even up to 4 people. Meanwhile, Zero is smart enough to know when you've started and finished speaking, so your conversations can be translated accurately in real time. Zero can be your travel companion. Have nice conversations with local people wherever you are. Zero can also be your business partner, help you to explore foreign business opportunities you've never imagined before. And we will continuously develop new functions for Zero. There are still many possibilities to explore. Zero is smaller, smarter, easier to use. It's like a translator, but unlike any translator. This is Zero.
When it comes to portable chargers, there are many options. How do you know which one to pick? Here are some that can fit in my pocket. And here are some models that can keep my phone charged for at least a couple of days. And this is the Super Mini by ZENDURE. Super Mini is the world's smallest and lightest 10,000 milliamp hour portable charger, delivering enough charge capacity to keep you going in a package that's small enough you can take anywhere. By the way, we're doing something a little different with this crowdfunding campaign. More on that later. Super Mini's cutting-edge, high-density power cells pack more energy in a smaller space. Super Mini's USB-C port offers 18-watt power delivery, input and output capability, cutting charging time by up to 44%. Super Mini itself only needs about 3 hours to get a full recharge, while the USB-A port features 18-watt Zen Plus 2.0 technology with adaptive quick charge, taking advantage of rapid charging capabilities of compatible QC 3.0 devices. Super Mini also supports pass-through charging technology. Of course, appearances matter too. That's why Super Mini comes in 3 different varieties to suit your personal style, including Blue Horizon. If you pre-order Super Mini right now, you can save up to 51% off the expected retail price. Each Super Mini comes with a USB-A and USB-C combo cable, plus a 2-year warranty from ZENDURE. Like I said before, we're doing things a little differently. We're putting our backers in the driver's seat of an interactive campaign unlike anything seen before. Order today and keep an eye out for updates in the coming weeks to join in. Yes, there's a lot of options for portable chargers, but it's not a hard decision. Get charged, get going. Super Mini from ZENDURE.
One more, please.
Be extremely careful with this egg. We'll take it back to the lab and then we'll hatch it. So all we have to do is go through. Can you give me the wrench? Just toss it up here.
If there was a Nobel Prize for cracking the code on smart, stylish toiletry kits, we'd be on our way to Sweden. Just 2 years ago, we launched the world's first toiletry bag with a base-saving suction cups to fix your bag right to the bathroom mirror, plus built-in UVB emitter to keep your personal care items microbe-free. But one challenge just kept nagging at us. How do we design a top-flight toiletry bag that's always the right size for everyone, on every trip, no matter where life takes them next? Enter the TASKIN Roller, the world's first fully modular, totally customizable, premium quality toiletry kit. Which sounds pretty cool, right? But what does that really mean? Well, for starters, the TASKIN Roller is essentially 5 different bags rolled into one. You can pack them individually for a weekend getaway, or you can connect the bags to create the configuration you need for longer itineraries. Plus, TASKIN roller bags can be combined with one or more other sets, so you can zip together custom combinations for a more personalized travel experience. Because sharing is good.
And check this out. Each bag is optimally designed to hold toiletries of various shapes and sizes. The top bag is ideal for a whole mix of assorted necessities. Your thises and that's, and especially those. The second is designed for long tubular items like your electric toothbrush or a regular-sized tube of toothpaste. Yeah, we hate those tiny travel sizes too. The third bag is perfect for full-size tuckables like your deodorant and sundry other particulars. And the fourth bag, that's for your shaving or makeup kit. So yeah, kind of a big deal. And last but not least, bag number 5 is for more personal items, or even your cables, adapters, and doodads if you just gotta get your geek on. The large pockets make it easy to put away and retrieve your toiletries. And how's this for awesome? When your toiletry bag is good to go, packing's a breeze. Just roll it flat, or create 2 toiletry bags and pack them separately. Whatever fits best. And once you get to where you're going, watch this. 4 powerful suction cups attach your bag to any flat surface, so everything stays clean, organized, and easy to reach without all the countertop clutter. Just like all our gear, the TASKIN roller is made with select top-tier materials. We're talking genuine YKK zippers, premium ballistic nylon, and custom-made see-through mesh. Plus, you always get that TASKIN lifetime warranty. Because whether it's a can't-miss client powwow, your kid's college graduation, that vacation of your dreams, or you're off to save the rainforest, you want world-class gear that'll get you there in style. TASKIN takes you there.
The first time people see the Joey, they're captivated by the compact handheld size of the device. An innovative tool that creates more power than some full-sized vacuums. Every trip presents the same challenge: what to pack. Today, this struggle is further complicated by the desire to have a protective barrier against the environment. The entire Joey is similar in size to some of the most compact flashlights. Enough power to crush a steel can. A simple flip of its heavy-duty switch starts a process of computer-controlled vacuum strength analysis as the Joey immediately jumps into action. Our adapters fit virtually any vacuum storage bag worldwide, a very handy feature for any traveler. Due to Joey's small size and light weight, people find many frequent uses for this amazing travel tool. Campers reduce their backpack size by compressing their sleeping bags. We have supporters on deployment. Aru is currently on its 3rd deployment with 1 supporter, and on an oil rig at sea with another. Everyone can use a little more space every day. Get your Joey and make some space. Joey by Aru.